5 ways to save your relationship. Regardless of adult attention deficit disorder, ADHD or ADD, falling in love is easy. A rush of biochemical euphoria comes with new love. Those of us with ADHD often hyperfocus on romance, not just for the sake of romance, but also to increase those pleasure-producing neurotransmitters, dopamine, that are in short supply in our brains. Highly charged emotions are not part of lasting love. They are just feelings, strong and wonderful feelings. But you need much more to make an ADHD relationship last. Relationships are hard, and when we accept that fact, we are dealing with reality, not the fantasy that all you need is love. All we need is love? I don't think so. You need coping skills to compensate for your weaknesses and to save your relationship. What tools should you have in your relationship toolbox if you are dating someone with ADD? Glad you asked. Number 1. Manage symptoms. You and your partner must take ownership of your condition. Treat adult ADHD responsibly by using behavior therapy or appropriate medications to manage symptoms, increase dopamine, and help the brain work as it is supposed to. When you do all that, you should see a decrease in ADHD symptoms like the inability to focus when your partner is talking to you or to follow through on tasks such as paying bills on time. Sit down with your partner and let him talk for 5 minutes or longer. If you can manage it, make eye contact and lean toward him, even if you are not absorbing every word. Number 2. Commit to commitment. The main symptoms of ADHD, impulsiveness and the need for constant stimulation, can enhance as well as threaten relationship. Because adults with ADHD are impatient and easily bored, adventurous sexual activities are highly stimulating. Attraction to the new and different may take it difficult to stay monogamous. ADHD and sex can be tricky. That's why it is vital to be committed to the idea of relationship, even more so than your partner. Number 3. Use laughter therapy. Learn to laugh at yourself and to take your problems a little more lightheartedly. ADHD causes us to do and say some pretty unusual things sometimes. Rather than be wounded or angered by unintended words and actions, see them for what they are. The symptoms of a condition you are trying to manage. A good laugh allows you to move forward in the relationship. I know how difficult this can be. It is easy to be defensive because we have had to explain our behavior for years. When we acted impulsively or glossed over details due to lack of focus, drop the defensiveness, then let go and move forward. Number 4. Forgive and forget. It is tempting to point the finger at the other person and blame her for their problems in relationship, but it takes two to tango. When we admit to the problems we may be causing, instead of dwelling on what our partner does wrong, we grow spiritually. When I acknowledge my own shortcomings, identify them, work on changing them, and forgive myself for not being perfect, it is easier to accept my partner and to forgive her shortcomings. Number 5. Seek professional help. Most married couples with one or more partners diagnosed with ADHD plan to be married till death do us part. But as the realities of living together set in, little problems go unresolved and become bigger problems that seem insurmountable. Thanks for watching. Stay with us for more videos.